Yesterday was a rainy day. Still, I decided to go for a run with Chucky. I haven't been running a lot lately, but I'm really motivated to start it again. After I came home, I tried to make a video of me baking bread. However, it proved rather challenging to set up the camera and fold the bread at the same time. So I can only show you what it looked like in a picture. You ready? This is what it looked like before it went into the oven, and this is really what it looked like when it came out. Before it could even cool down, the kids had already started eating it. And Nierogo is among the guilty ones. Of course, Chucky tried to get his own little piece, but Nierogo wasn't willing to share this lovely hot bread with him. It was time for me to make a coffee, and I decided to use Ezenwa's cup this morning. Isn't it cool? Ha. Yes, anyway. Yesterday was also the second day of Ziora's volleyball trial. She's trying to look for a new sport, so I dropped her there and watched her play a little bit before checking on the boys who were playing football outside. Nierogo insisted I make a video while he's playing football. Oh, Nierogo. Also, corner. Up. Boom. Super. And that's how we're kicking on a Tuesday evening.